All right, let's learn about bubble sort. Bubble sort will teach us how simple sorting technique work and the efficiency of bubble sort. So we'll start with defining the Python functions for bubble sort, and it will receive numbers, list of numbers, integer, and then we will return that sorted numbers. So it will be list of integer. Okay, and we return that number. Okay, so inside our function, we will have this flag, set it to uh, false, and then unsorted length will be the length of the given numbers, list of numbers, and we're going to check the flag. It's not sorted yet, and we're going to sort it inside the while loop. Okay, so how is it going to work? So we have two pointer, right? It will be 0 and 0 plus 1, and we're going to increment this two pointer one at a time, and we will push the largest number at the end. So that will be the first sort, and we will set our flags to true every time we false every time we sort, and at the end of the sorted, it will go another comparing and trying to sort, and if the flag is true all the way, that means we're done with sorting, and it will escape from the while loop, and it will be sorted list. That will be the numbers that we're going to return. Okay, enough said. Let's try to code our flag. So it's going to be right here. Sort the numbers. So we're going to have to change our flag to true because we're going to be sort the list. So we'll start from our unsorted index, from our range, from the unsorted length, and then we will check if first number, it will be numbers, and it will be the unsorted length index, and second will be similar to the unsorted index plus one. So the second number, we compare each other. If first is larger than second, so we're going to sort into ascending order. So that means numbers will be here, and unsorted next this. We're going to need to basically copy that, and then plus one. But this is how you swap numbers in Python. So it should be to like this, and so this number should be plus one, and it will swap the number this way. So that's the Python swapping technique. All right, let's push this a little bit further. Okay, so now we swap the number, and we're gonna have to change the sorted flag. So it should be false. The reason is that once we swap, we know that we still need to swap. We still need to sort our next number every time, right? So that's why we change the flag to false. And at the end of the list, it will go another round, another pass through, and if the sorted flag is not set to false, then we're done with sorting, and it will return sorted list. So as you can see, this length, the unsorted length, will decrement like we decrement down here. So it should be -1, And like we said, it will keep checking the flag, right? So if it's true, then we'll escape from the loop. Okay, so that will be our plan and strategy for bubble sort. And let's see this in action. Okay, so, and there you go, as we expected. So the time complexity for this bubble sort is big O of n squared. The reason is we use nested loops, right? So that's it for our bubble sort.